In this video, I will show with you how to cancel Cleverbridge subscription. If you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this video guide. So friends, first step you need to do, you should be submit a request via this form. As you can see here, you have this form for request. Scroll down, write your details, such your first name. As you can see here, write your name, full name here. Write your address, choose your email address in this section. From this request, write refund or cancel. Choose in this case cancel. So when you click on cancel, write your 30 liter of your software or product that was purchased from here. For example, you have digital marketing services. Choose your product that buy all the services. Write your product here. From here, choose your reference from your order. As you can see here, friends, for example, this is my order, as you can see here. And then the subject, write your subject here, cancel subscription. This is a subject. From here, write your feedback or any something like this. You can choose attachment from your computer, browse, and then click submit. So, and then you will wait email. Choose your email subscription, friends, in this case. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. Just fill this form and wait an email for cancellation.